Hi, in this lesson we learn how to convert a number from scientific notation to standard form. Let's consider the following number. In this, the exponent is positive and it is equal to 5. We move the decimal point 5 places to the right. If we move the decimal point 3 places, we get the number 2321. Now we have to move the decimal point another 2 places. So we add 2 zeros to get the number 232,100. This is the number in standard form. Now consider another number. In this, the exponent is negative and equals to -5. In this case, we move the decimal point 5 places to the left. Then the number is 0.0000825154. Let's convert two more numbers from scientific notation to standard form. We apply the same method as in the previous numbers we worked. Let's do example 1. In part of the number is 2.63 into 10 to the power 6. The decimal point should be moved 6 places to the right. When it is moved 2 places, we get 263. Now we have to move another 4 places, so we add 4 zeros to 263. Then we get 2,630,000. Then part B. The number is 4.2110 to the power -4. The decimal point should be moved 4 places to the left. First we move 1 place, then we get 421. When we move the decimal point 3 more places, we add 3 zeros. The number in standard form is 0.000421. Let's go to part C. In this we have to move the decimal point 6 places to the left. The answer is 0.000005,341. Now the part D. As the exponent is positive and equals to 7, we move the decimal point 7 places to the right. The answer is 3,225,000. Now, the part E. As the exponent is negative and equals to 3, we move the decimal point 3 places to the left. Now let's do example 2. In this, the radius of the moon is given in kilometers. We have to find the radius in meters and give the answer in scientific notation. Radius is equal to 1,737.4 kilometers. When we convert it to scientific notation, we get 1.7374 into 10 to the power 3 kilometers. 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. That is 10 to the power 3 meters. Radius in meters equals 1.7374 into 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 3 meters. This is equal to 1.7374 into 10 to the power 3 plus 3, which is equal to 1.7374 into 10 to the power 6 meters. The answer is 1.7374 into 10 to the power 6 meters. That is going to bring this lesson to a close. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe.